Are you having an ice cream eating competition? Whoa! Looks like you got brain freeze! Brain freeze can slow you down, right? Walter, you've got it bad! Hey, Carl! Looks like there's a problem. You better go check it out. Whoa! Looks like Billy got hypnotized by the rhythm of Dane's ball. Oh no! Billy's been hypnotized to destroy everything in sight! You'd better stop him before he does something dangerous! Dane, what happened? You told him to wreck it all. Oh, you were talking about your construction project? Billy must have thought you meant everything in this city because he was hypnotized. Right, let's clean up the city and stop Billy. Billy sure did a lot of damage. Massimo, are you okay? You fell on a banana skin. Don't worry, Supertruck will stop Billy. Whoa, Jerry, look out! Oh no! Looks like someone's trapped! Walter, are you okay? Oh, your hat protected you. Must be pretty hard. What? Billy is heading for the power crystal? Supertruck, he's heading for the power crystal. If he hits it, the city is done for. Right, Walter. Supertruck needs to slow Billy down. Slow down. Brain freeze can slow you down, right? Of course. You can use the freeze ray. Billy, this is for your own good. Yes! Wow! The brain freeze cured his hypnosis. Billy, you were hypnotized. Supertruck cured you with brain freeze. Supertruck, it's happening again! You'd better do something! Oh, it's a hypnosis show! Billy is hypnotized to think Walter is an ice cream? Look out, Walter!